Welcome to part 2 of your daily conversations. We will do a quick recap of what we learned yesterday in part 1. I entered the session on a mini conversation. I'll just go through it once again so that we can refresh what we learned yesterday. Hi, what time do you go to work? I leave home at 8 o'clock. What do you do first? I check my emails. When do you finish work? Around 6 in the evening. See? Real conversation, we just had it. Let's quickly learn some useful words you will use every day. Repeat after me. Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, leave home, go to school, attend classes, take notes, have lunch, finish work, go home, have dinner, relax, watch TV, read a book, go to bed. One more time, this time a little faster, okay? Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, leave home, go to school, attend class, take notes, have lunch, finish work, go home, have dinner, relax, watch TV, read a book, go to bed. Excellent. The more you repeat these words, the easier they will come to you in conversations. Let's fix a few common mistakes. I am going office. मैं ऑफिस जा रही इन हिंदी इट साउंड्स करेक्ट बट इंग्लिश में हमें प्रीपोजिशंस को यूज करना होता है द करेक्ट सेंटेंस फॉर आई एम गोइंग ऑफिस का होगा आई एम गोइंग टू द ऑफिस ऐसे ही दूसरा सेंटेंस देखते हैं आई डू ब्रेकफास्ट हिंदी में अगर करेंगे तो भी गलत रहेगा आई डू मैं ब्रेकफास्ट हूँ आई डू मैं ब्रेकफास्ट मुझे हिंदी में बोलना नहीं आ रहा है बट लेट्स जस्ट गो टू द करेक्ट इंग्लिश सेंटेंस आई हैव ब्रेकफास्ट मैं ब्रेकफास्ट लेती हूँ अनदर सेंटेंस आई रीच टू स्कूल गलत है यहाँ पे प्रिपोजिशन नेसेसरी नहीं है टू इज अ प्रिपोजिशन और यहाँ पे इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी आई रीच स्कूल आई एम स्टडिंग इन कॉलेज which is not that wrong. But I study at XYZ college. Let's say I study at Harvard College or Harvard University, or I'm a college student. These are small corrections but big improvement. Now tell me in the comments, are you a student or do you work? And answer this question in English only. Another question, what do you usually do after lunch? Write just one sentence. For example, I study, I attend meetings, I go to the library, I play football. Don't worry about making mistakes because every mistake teaches you something new. Amazing! So far, you have learned how to talk about your morning routine, your school, college, or office routine. Now it's time to complete your day. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your entire daily routine with confidence. Let's continue. After a long day, what do you usually do? Let's learn some useful English sentences. Sentence 1. I come back home in the evening. Come back home का मतलब होता है घर वापस आना. Example, I come back home at around 6:30 p.m. Sentence 2. I change my clothes and freshen up. Freshen up का मतलब होता है थोड़ा fresh होना, जैसे face wash करना या कपड़े बदलना या थोड़ा relax feel करना. Instead of saying I wash my face, native speakers often say I freshen up. Sentence 3. I spend some time with my family. Spend time का मतलब होता है किसी के साथ वक्त बिताना. Example, I spend some time with my parents. I spend time playing with my children. Sentence 4. I do my homework or I complete my assignments. Homework स्कूल का काम, assignment कॉलेज या फिर ऑफिस के पेंडिंग टास्क होते हैं. Sentence 5. I relax for a while. For a while का मतलब होता है थोड़ी देर के लिए. फिर से बताती हूँ. For a while का मतलब होता है थोड़ी देर के लिए. Example, I relax for a while and watch my favorite TV show. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए रिलैक्स करती हूँ और मैं मेरा फेवरेट टीवी शो देखती हूँ। नाउ लेट्स फिनिश द डे। हमने सुबह की बात कर ली है, शाम की बात कर ली है और हमने काम या स्कूल से वापस आने के बाद की भी बात कर ली है। नाउ द ओनली routine left is the night routine. So let's finish the day. Sentence 1. I have dinner with my family. Again, notice the pattern. We say I have breakfast, I have lunch, तो इसलिए हम बोलेंगे I have dinner. This sounds much more natural than saying I eat dinner with my family, which is not wrong, but I have dinner with my family is the correct way. Sentence 2. I watch TV for some time, or I watch YouTube. Hopefully, you're watching my English YouTube lessons. Sentence 3. Sometimes I read a book before going to bed. Before going to bed का मतलब होता है सोने से पहले. Example, I listen to music before I go to bed. मैं सोने से पहले म्यूजिक सुनती हूँ. I set an alarm for next morning. Set an alarm का मतलब होता है अलार्म लगाना. Example, I set an alarm for 7:30 a.m. Sentence 5. I go to bed at around 10:30 p.m. Notice, we usually say we go to bed, not go for sleep. I go for sleep सही नहीं होता है. I go to bed होता है. Now let's put everything together. Listen carefully. पहले मैं हिंदी में बताऊंगी, फिर मैं उसी को इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करूंगी and then we'll practice together. हर सुबह मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठती हूँ. मैं बेड से उठती हूँ, फिर मैं अपना दांत ब्रश करती हूँ. उसके बाद मैं अपना फेस धोती हूँ और फिर मैं नहाती हूँ. फिर मैं तैयार होती हूँ और मेरे घर वालों के साथ ब्रेकफास्ट करती हूँ. उसके बाद मैं काम के लिए चली जाती हूँ. मैं ऑफिस सुबह 9 बजे पहुँचती हूँ. ऑफिस पहुँचते ही मैं मेरे ईमेल्स चेक करती हूँ, मीटिंग्स अटेंड करती हूँ और अपना सारा काम करती हूँ. शाम में मैं वापस घर आती हूँ और फ्रेश अप होती हूँ, मुँह हाथ धोती हूँ. उसके बाद मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ. उसके बाद मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ थोड़ा वक्त गुजारती हूँ, फिर हम साथ में खाना खाते हैं. फिर कभी मैं टीवी देखती हूँ या फिर कभी मैं किताब पढ़ती हूँ. उसके बाद फाइनली मैं 10:30 के करीब बिस्तर पे सोने चली जाती हूँ और अगले दिन के लिए अलार्म लगा लेती हूँ. Now I'm going to speak this in English. Let's see the difference and then we can practice together. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up, make my bed, and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face and take a shower. After that, I get dressed and have breakfast with my family. Then I leave for work. I reach my office at 9 o'clock. I check my emails, attend meetings, and complete my work. In the evening, I come back home and freshen up. I spend time with my family and have dinner together. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book. Finally, I go to bed at around 10:30 and I set my alarm for the next day at 7:30 a.m. Amazing! Let's practice this together. मैं एक sentence बोलूँगी, फिर मैं pause दूँगी और आप मेरे साथ repeat करिएगा. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up and make my bed and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face and take a shower. After that, I get dressed and have breakfast with my family. Then I leave for work. I reach my office at 9 o'clock. I check my emails, attend meetings, and complete my work. I check my emails, attend meetings, and complete my work. In the evening, I come back home and freshen up. I spend time with my family and have dinner together. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book. Finally, I go to bed at around 10:30. And then I set an alarm for 7:30 the next day. See, that wasn't difficult at all. It's just one simple sentence after another. That's exactly how real people speak English. एक छोटी सी exercise practice करते हैं. I will say the sentence half and you complete it from your end. First repeat after me and then complete the sentence, okay? Let's do it. Ready? I wake up at, I brush my teeth, I have breakfast, I go to, I come back home, I go to bed, Remember, don't just listen, speak. Your mouth has to practice too. Whenever someone asks you, tell me about your daily routine, just remember this simple order. मॉर्निंग, स्कूल या फिर ऑफिस, इवनिंग और रात, हमें इसके बीच फिल करना है. That's it. No need to remember difficult grammar rules. Just follow your day from beginning to end. Now here's your challenge. Today, stand in front of a mirror or use your phone's voice recorder and speak about your daily routine for 1 minute. Don't stop. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking. If you don't know a word, just use a simpler word. The goal is to speak, not to be perfect. I have one more challenge for you. Write these three sentences in the comments. What time did you wake up? What do you do after breakfast? What time did you go to bed? I'll try to read as many comments as I can, and if you make a small mistake, don't worry. That's how learning happens. Before we finish, congratulations. Today, you learned how to talk about your entire daily routine in English. I want you to remember something. Your daily routine may feel boring to you, but for English practice, it's gold. Why? Because you already know your routine. You don't have to invent anything. You simply need to describe it. आज से एक हैबिट बना लो. Every night, spend just 2 minutes talking about your day in English. Not perfect English, just English. Because fluency doesn't come from studying more. Fluency comes from using English every day. Little by little, sentence by sentence, day by day. And trust me, the person speaking on day 30 will be much more confident than the person who started on day 1. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on our English lessons. Bye. See you on day 7.